So this is the DJI Mic. So let's have a look and see exactly what comes in the box. Now I've done 5 or 6 different videos on this completely. Now this is just live in my hand. Notice it's blue. That means it's actually Bluetoothed. It's not red on this side, so it's not recording to the internal of this. Now it does do up to around about 16 hours or 14 hours, whatever the case may be, it's irrelevant. This only lasts 6 hours on the battery. There's your box. You get your mic, get a magnet, a cable, and a fluffy thing for the top to go in. Okay, and a nice little carrying bag. Now, my previous mics have been all these. I've relied on Rode all the time. If you have an AcePro, you're pretty locked out really. You've got to buy a little device to go on the back of it here. That's it. Now you could ask me why I'm actually holding this in my hand. Well, I'm holding it in my hand for one reason. Now, the best thing about this is that little nozzle at the end. Hopefully we're not losing too much sound. Besides being a fluffy mount, you can put your mics in it. So I've got my Rode mic in front of me, and all we do is plug that straight in. Like this. Yeah, wicked. Hey, and the sound now is coming from here. Yeah, pretty cool, isn't it? I do like that. You can buy the DJI with these extra things. I mean, I know this is Rode. This is the original one. The Wireless Go 2. Other variations of this now. And these are really good. Only downside is Rode doesn't seem to do Bluetooth at all, which is very annoying, because if they did Bluetooth, it would be a go-to everything. So you don't have to mess around, so you can have your camera on your mountain bike bobbing around, and you know the water isn't going to get into it, because your mic's going to be somewhere else on your body, and you don't have to worry about it. And I just love the idea of the magnet. So how good is it? Let's put it on and see. There's my magnet. Oh, that's wicked. On a t-shirt only, by the way. I have been doing some testing on this, and believe me, a t-shirt's fine. Now, I wouldn't physically use that on my bike with a magnet. In fact, I think if you've got the mic, you'd want to strap it around your neck or something, or have something so it's secure, because if you're bouncing about on your bike like this and your mic falls off, you've lost it. End of. Now, this was a bargain. I mean, it's 89 quid on Amazon. I got this from Amazon Warehouse at a bargain price of 60 notes. Hey, okay, let's be fair. It's as new. Okay, it's been opened, it might have been taken out of the box, put back in, they've checked it over, it's fine. And I don't see any point in not buying it. You know, what's the point of buying a really expensive one? I mean, you've saved yourself, what, nearly 30 quid on it? Well, there you go, folks. Don't forget to check my other videos. This is just a short one, just to show you what's in the box. Not a lot, because it is just basically this. And that's all you want, isn't it? If you want a shed of these things to play around with, in the big kit you get 2 of those and a receiver, and also you get a nice posh box to record it in, and I think that's around about 300 quid, give or take. See, thing is, if you own this stuff already and you got these, you ain't going to be buying that. Okay, Rode has come out with their own version, and now they've gone for these little tiny mics. They're no bigger than this. When you're using electrical things with these, they can play havoc. And that's where I found with these. The AcePro does have interference. It's just new to me, so I don't know if this DJI Mic is going to have e-bike problems, because I haven't got my e-bike here. It's disappeared. It's gone back to the manufacturer to be repaired. This, if you're driving around with this on an e-bike, it does cause interference. Oh, it's funny enough, I did find the Insta360 AcePro. It did have interference with my lawnmower, the Works Hydroshot. Also, these have a problem with that. They do get interference with these. So you've got to bear this in mind with any of these little cameras, with their inside mics, or any mics that go across the air. You can get interference from electricals. So we'll test that out, this DJI, and hopefully it'll be okay. This is the DJI Mic 2. Now I believe they could be bringing out a Mic 3, a Mic 4, a Mic 5, you name it. There you go, folks. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and don't forget to check out that link up there if you want to buy me a coffee. It does help with the channel. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Glean Truths. Laters!